Hi friends, long time no see. I feel like this has probably been my biggest absence thus far, like in all my YouTube video making stuff. Sorry about that, it's gotten very busy. But I'm back now, I guess, for a bit. I haven't been very active in the keyboard scene lately, but I'm just gonna show off some stuff that I have, and hopefully I'll start being a little bit more active in the community as far as like trading and stuff goes. Anyways, I wanted to show off a cute little guy by PrimeCaps. So remember how last year I mentioned that I got actually, was it last year or last year? Like my perception of time has gotten so messed up recently. Like the past couple of years have just been a blur, and I'm sure that everyone feels kind of the same way. So sorry if it wasn't last year and it was actually last year. Anyways, remember how I got a albumen commissioned for me for my birthday? There is actually a matching Lurv to go with it. It's adorable and you guys absolutely have to see it. Here he is. So this Lurv is fashioned in the same way as a vampire would look. So it's got like, the little fangs painted on. It's got 3 red eyes. Or I'm so sorry. This is not the Lurv. It is the Lurvana. So the difference between the Lurv and the Lurvana is that the Lurv is like a regular cute little sloth guy, and the Lurvana has a 3rd eye, and then it has like his hands posed out, like he's meditating and stuff, so hence the name Lurvana. So sorry about that. But anyways, this Lurvana, like I said, has 3 red eyes, cute little fangs painted on. He's mostly black and has like grayish, like bluish tone tinge in his face. And then it looks like he's got a cute little kind of like tuxedo going on and a red heart in the middle that kind of is fashioned to look like I forgot the name of that thing, but like Fred from Scooby-Doo, ascot, an ascot, there you go. It kind of looks like a little red ascot. Anyways, as you can see, it's very detailed. All of the fur has been sculpted out, like literally everywhere on the keycap. His hands are very finely detailed. You can see like each individual finger on here. It's really cool. Hope that you guys get to see how cool this little guy looks, Amazing detail, really great, really clean colors, if I may say so. Like I don't really see any flaws. Like none of the colors are bleeding over. Every single shot looks absolutely clean. The fangs, I'm like very impressed because they're such a small scale and they're just very like neatly painted on there. It's crazy. Frank and Lisa always do like such amazing work, and I'm gonna put it right next to the hemobumen. There you go. I'm gonna put it right next to the hemobumen so you guys can see how cute and how well they match up, The only difference that I kind of see is that the hemobumen's face is like more of a pasty white color, whereas the Lurv is more of a bluish gray tone, But otherwise, it looks so cute paired together, For someone who loves vampires and like loves all the spooky monsters and stuff, it's such a cute like pairing to have, here in the collection. Just another short, cute, sweet video to show you guys. Hopefully you liked looking at the caps, and hopefully I will have many more caps to show you guys along the way. I have another pretty cool video coming up. I'm gonna do a keyboard building. I'm not really sure, honestly, how to showcase a keyboard building because most people, I know that they stream themselves building the board, and not so much like, YouTube videos. I don't really have a big workspace per se, you know, to like lay out the board. I mean, I do have where to work on the board, but it's not really like aesthetically pleasing to look at, you know, in a video. So I'm gonna see how that's gonna work out. But yeah, hopefully coming up for you guys. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. I hope to make more video for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Happy clacking!